Text, render Stockbridge. Equal housing opportunity. Handicap accessible. Flying above a multi-building complex surrounded by forestland. A patio with a pool surrounded by lounge chairs. Half-submerged loungers in the water. An interior living space with an open floorplan. An island and a kitchen with stools. A fitness center with weights. A snack bar and a community lounge. Wood trusses overhead. Books on a shelf. A couple works in a booth. Friends gather around a wood coffee table on couches and armchairs. Another group meets at the pool. Bubblers around the edges. Fans hang from a vaulted ceiling over the fitness room. Treadmills. Ellipticals. Medicine balls. Step machine. A living room with couch and coffee table facing a flat screen. Framed double glass doors at the back. A bedroom with double window with curtains and blinds. Friends play a game of Uno around a dining table. A woman uses a community coffee machine, then works at a booth seat. Moves to a private meeting room. And then a private office space. Friends play Jenga at a table by an outdoor fireplace. Others play cornhole on a turf section outside with a ping pong table beside them. Two people bike along a paved path around a complex. They pass a stone wall. Render Stockbridge logos on the bikes. Lamps hang down over a kitchen island. A pond surrounded by forest. A stone sign reads, Panola Mountain State Park. Friends hike along a paved trail. A woman walks her dog. Colorful fall foliage. They walk along a wooden bridge. Crossing the water. They smile as they walk side by side. A small town in a forested landscape. A sign for Scoop's ice cream shop. Friends enjoy ice creams at a counter. Signs for Peach-Born Boutique. The Sol or Not. Queen Bee Coffee Company. Macon Street Tacos. Threads on the Square. Southern Roots Tavern and Eatery. Crust and Craft. Flying over the town. A park in the center. A sign for Story on the Square. A woman takes a book from a shelf and flips through it. Rough Draft Bar. Kamado Grill, Raymond, and Bar. A cherry blossom tree inside the restaurant. A chicken dish with egg. Friends toast drinks. A view of the complex from above with parking interspersed between the buildings. Text, render. Stockbridge. Handicap accessible. Equal housing opportunity.